are back again with another challenge, the spicy turkey challenge.
Yes, guys.
So guys, we know you missed us so much, but we'll be too busy. So today we're going to be doing the spicy turkey challenge.
And as you guys know, I believe you guys know our name, and I'm Frances, in case it's your first time watching us here on this channel, and this is
Precious.
Yeah.
So welcome guys, and enjoy eating with us. I don't know, maybe you can be joining us to eat from the background, but you're all invited.
So basically we're just going to do who is going to eat the most.
Yeah.
So we don't have to finish everything. Hopefully we can finish everything, but how many can you eat? Okay, we can't finish, although how many can you eat? So that's the challenge for today.
Guys, as you can see, it's so spicy. You can see it's so good.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys
yeah, and we have milk, by the way, because I'm not ready to go to the hospital this night.
And this meal was prepared by Gloria Glitz herself. So if you want to know how this spicy turkey was prepared, you can just go to the link down below. We'll be linking it in the description or in the comment section.
Yeah,
so you can go there and check out this video of how this was made if you are interested in making this for yourself.
Yeah.
So guys, we're just going to go right in. I think I'm going to start with a sip of milk.
How can you start with a sip of milk? Let's start with the thing.
So my mouth will be wet, you know. Okay.
Wait, okay, guys.
So you can take yours.
Why are you scared?
Because it's spicy, like really hot. Okay. Guys, this is really spicy. It's spicy, but in kind of like a good way. You know when something's really hot, but then you're enjoying the food. That's the kind of feeling I have right now.
Guys, I cannot talk. It's too spicy. I don't know, it's burning. I think for the last video I gave a tip. If you want to eat a spicy food, you have to eat it fast so that you succeed or you win.
Yeah, try eating this one fast. Oh my god. The pepper that we used to make this was just too much. I'm not even done with one. I'm already tired.
Actually, in my mind, I was saying I'll finish this plate.
It's a lot. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's more than 10. Okay, you're done with one. I'm still on my first one.
You know what I think we should stop doing? I think we should stop making up before coming to this video.
Oh, maybe, yeah. Well, you need to look good for the camera, right?
And then your lipstick will stay on your mouth.
You can clean the lipstick now. Sorry guys.
Gloria Glitz TV, please, next time don't put this kind of pepper again. Don't come and mother us. See pepper.
It's really hot.
My nose.
Oh, you're in the second one.
Are you sweating?
Yeah, I'm sweating.
Tell me your most embarrassing moment.
I can't think right now.
You have to try and think.
My most embarrassing moment. One time I was wearing like a really light gown. So as I was trying to cross the road, you know, what this kind of stupid wind that just blows unexpectedly. The wind just blew and my gown was just like up. Everything, my pants and everything was just showing. That was really embarrassing for me. So I think that's my most embarrassing moment. What was yours?
I can't remember what I did, but the chef loved me in front of assembly.
Oh, it was cool.
In front of all my crush.
That's normal.
That's not normal. You know,
you can be flogged in school now. That's normal.
Not in front of everybody. Imagine.
How would they flog secretly?
In class with your classmates is good. But you know, when you're in assembly,
I think
different
most people have been in a situation where they are being flogged in presence of lots of people. Yeah. Okay, I'm done. Almost done with my first one.
That reminds me. No, last video they were calling me foodie because I was fast.
And now you are still fast.
I'm not fast.
You are.
It's pepperish. It's hot and spicy. What do you want me to do?
And this is why I have to drink something. Because I don't think I would have been able to finish everything without drinking.
I think I'm not chewing it. I'm not chewing it. I'm just swallowing it.
Yeah, that's why you're fast. Okay. So guys, I'm done with the first one. The milk actually helps to cool down the pepper. It's spicy, but I can't compare it to the one we did last time. Last video. If you didn't watch the last video, we're also going to link it down in the description and also in the comment section, so you guys can go check it out. That one was actually worse because we couldn't drink anything.
Yeah. Let me ask you one question. Why are you always picking up?
Talking while eating this is not actually helping.
It's helping for me.
Can I remove the pepper? I don't want it.
I'm serious. How is it a challenge like that?
I'm still eating it turkey.
You know what I do? I think I peel off the skin first and then I'll be eating the flesh later.
Guys, just one, and I'm already tired.
What are you doing? Let me tell you something. I'm actually tired though. It's too big.
You have to take the big one.
You want to see me?
That's your fourth one, right?
Yeah, actually, guys, I'm tired.
That's your third
yeah,
one?
this is the fourth one now. After this, I'm not doing it again. I want to give up.
I don't think I can finish the second one. Maybe if we're eating into something. That
like
be better.
noodles.
Like rice or something. Yeah.
Director, cut. We are done.
Keep the camera rolling. We'll continue.
Sorry. I can't even eat turkey. I'm done, oh, guys. Please, pass me the meat.
You have to wait for me. I'm not done.
I don't have to be done. I won already. Yeah.
Okay. How many did you eat?
I ate 3.5. I ate only 1.5.
I'm still eating.
It's a lie now. I'm done. If I'm done, then I'll go on.
But what if I can finish everything?
No, but I'm already finished. So I'm done. So yeah.
It's how many you can eat, not how fast you can eat.
Oh, God, I'm done.
So
already, please.
I will shock you now and finish everything, and I'll be done.
I think I cannot finish one.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Miko. Who told you that one? Screw it. I know rabbit and tortoise.
Okay. I'm not going to deceive myself. There's no way I can finish everything. So
are you tired? Are we stopping now?
I was tired even with the first one. Well, I want onions though. Where were the onions? Oh, the onions is good. You don't like onions? Okay. That's it, guys. I'm done.
I'm actually on a diet.
Really?
So I'm not gonna eat again. I can finish this shower. It's small thing for me.
Really? I dare you.
How much should you pay?
1,000 euros.
I'll do it now.
No,
I'll just finish it.
Finish it 1,000. Really, the camera is here. 1,000 euro cash. If you can finish everything.
So guys, thank you for joining us today. This was not an amazing video.
No, it was good. I actually enjoyed
myself. This is
myself.
not amazing though, because me, I cannot stand up again. So yeah, it was not amazing, but thank you guys for coming. And yeah. So guys, that's it. No, wait.
I have something stuck in
we
my
have
teeth.
We have to do you know, like this is super story. The end of it. So guys,
this is not super story. This is the end of this challenge.
You know,
we both lost because
we both lost.
No, I didn't eat more. Can you see how much is still remaining?
No, see, stop.
There's still a lot remaining.
No,
so
they said
we didn't do
more. No.
Okay, so how many did you eat?
I ate 3.5. You ate 1.5, but I can still see flesh. You.
Okay, I agree.
I won. I'm always winning, guys.
Okay,
thank you.
I will leave this one for you. You won.
So guys, thank you guys. We'll be leaving. Sorry, no, that's not what I wanted to say. Guys, please leave your comment below. Whatever challenge you want us to do, or what do you want us to try, or something you want us to talk about, or anything. We got you. Okay. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's the end of this video. Don't forget, I'll be leaving the link of how this meal was prepared down in the comment section or in the description box. So if you want to prepare this for yourself, just go down there and check the video out. And if you haven't watched our last video of how we did a spicy noodles challenge, I'll also link that in the description box and also in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like and comment on this video. Wait. On what we did. Oh, she knows how to speak English, but I'm not supposed to talk to. Guys, if you're new here, please don't forget to press the subscribe button, like and comment and share to your friends so they laugh too. Thank you guys. We love you too. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.